How creative are your presentations? Now, creativity doesn't mean that it has to be all singing, all dancing, bells, whistles, tricks, etc., etc. This isn't about animations or flashy transitions. Creativity in your presentation is about making it a little bit different, making it stand out, making it a bit more you, because creativity is how you bring your approach to a presentation. Now, clearly, every presentation is different and every context is different, just as every audience is different. And that's why every presentation must be different, because one size does not fit all. There's an awful tendency for people to just deliver the same presentation or a very similar presentation time after time after time. Now, if you're just reciting something you've recited quite a number of times, you're never going to really deliver it with great excitement or passion, and that's going to be a bit boring. It's going to be a bit boring for you as the presenter, and it's certainly going to be a bit boring for your audience. Bringing creativity to a presentation is a way to bring something special, to make an audience feel that you've made an effort, that you have really tailored this presentation to them. So over the next few series of videos, which you'll find here on my YouTube channel, we're going to discuss bringing creativity into your presentations. We're going to think about things like different structures. We'll talk about visual aids, aka slides. We're going to think about different ways that you can bring a presentation to life to engage with your audience. As I say, it's not necessarily about being tricksy. It's about doing things that just make your presentation stand out. An awful lot of presentations are very, very samey. They start the same way, the structure's the same, they close the same way. And actually, they all tend to turn into a sort of morass. People don't really remember what you said or who you were. So follow this next series of videos, and we're going to think about how you can be more creative in your presentations to make them more effective, more interesting, more engaging, and more successful.